high in the grass for me, and I left it alone. I saw a seal on the shore of the beach. It was beautiful, and it looked very playful. I thought that I could keep it, maybe, but they're wild animals. It was time to go. I wish I could stay longer, but at least we had fun. Fun in Tennessee Valley. This is a story about a trip to the moon. Someday I would like to take a trip to the moon. I'll fly in my rocket ship with my dog Elvis. When we get to the moon, we'll have a party. Elvis wants to know where all the people are. Oh no, a giant duck, let's get out of here. Elvis started barking at the giant duck. Ran to the ship and we flew back to Earth.
Tommy heard a noise. He thought it was that old fox. Tommy was scared. They heard something.
What's that noise? Is it the fox?
Said Freddie. But both of them were very scared. Yeah!
Are you there or are you here? By Maria Siskevich. To my sister Tatiana. Once upon a time, a little girl sneaked away from her birthday party. He, she said. She went up to the bathroom and she said, they do not know what I'm up to. Her friends and family looked for her. They called her and they said, where are you? Maria, you who? They all went up to the bathroom and they saw her putting toothpaste on her toes and they all said, hooray, yay!
How? I'm sooner than Cheetah, and I'm the fastest cat in the world, and I love snack food! Hey man, I live in a stupid rainforest with all those stupid friends in a stupid cave with a stupid toucan, stupid giraffe, and I'm gonna eat them for my stupid dinner, man.
Hello, this is Raja again. Thank you for joining us on our trip through the mystical rainforest.
Au revoir, mon ami. You be all so beautiful. I am lying, hear me roar. I want to go eat Greg now. Bye, mate. Top of the morning to ya. Gotta go have tea and crumpets and shrimp on the barbie.
Hi, this is Iggy the Iguana again, signing off to you. Bye.
Come on.
Once upon a time, there was a boy that had a beautiful sandbox, but no one to play with. Russ wished that all sorts of friends would come and play.
When she was done, she looked like this, and she was very happy. I look beautiful, she said. She was very surprised when her new face blew off in the car. Look, they fell off, she said to her husband. Malpractice, he cried.
Oh, Mr. Clam, what are you doing for dinner?
I don't know, but I would like to have breakfast in bed.
Mr. Clam, do you mind if I take your picture?
No, my dear, I don't even mind if you make a photo CD.
Hey, Mr. Clam, where you been all my life?
I must have been sleeping under a rock until I met you.
Hey you, get your slimy fins off of Mr. Clam.
Well, I saw him first, you big beluga.
Ladies, I'm gonna have to move into a duplex shell. Well, I just can't take petty jealousies. I'm out of here.
The greatest killer tornado in history caused 689 people to die. A tornado strikes with terrible force. Its violent winds can destroy buildings, uproot huge trees, and carry automobiles and other large objects long distances. Thank you for watching our slideshow.